contrast is a crucial part of lettering work. If you understand how thick and thin lines work, you'll be able to construct many things, such as you see in the past images, like from the Russian images. You can see how thick and thin play into the designs. That's where you're coming from. If you look for your hand, for instance, if you make a circle, a full circle, you have like a full shape. But if you have your hand like that, if you make the same circle, in specific areas, you're gonna have thin lines. For instance, if you have maybe just like a triangle shape, thick, and thick is a full shape. But if you have I have a thin line and a thick line, you understand how the contrast and the graduation of the contrast work. So how you control no contrast and high contrast is a very powerful and a very specific, important part of your design work. Geometry. Geometry is something very interesting that you don't think that you can apply this in hand lettering. Geometry? What? So, but using geometry, you can actually set your limitations in where you have to start and where your drawing has to end. If you compare shapes like a square and an M, a circle, an O, and a triangle, a letter A, you can understand clearly how the geometry applies here. The geometry is so important even if you like squeeze a bit your square and change the square into a rectangle, you can see other shapes being applied here. For instance, letter F, the letter E. So you can understand how controlling your geometry, you can control how thick and how wide your letters can be. And from this starting point, you'll be able to construct many, many different things. You can make them italic, you can extend them, you can construct your own alphabets based on the geometry.